నమస్కారం. చిరంజీవులకు ఆశీస్సులు. పద్మభూషణ్ వెంపటి చిన్న సత్యం మాస్టారు 19వ దశాబ్దపు కూచిపూడి రారాజు. ఈ శతాబ్దం నాది అని సగర్వంగా నాట్య ప్రపంచంలో ఎలుగెత్తి చెప్పగలిగినటువంటి ఏకైక వ్యక్తి చిన్న సత్యం మాస్టర్. అక్టోబర్ 15వ తారీఖు కూచిపూడి గ్రామంలో జన్మించినటువంటి ఆ మహానుభావులు ఈ సంవత్సరం కూడా మనం జరగబోయే సమ్మేళనంలో పాల్గొంటారు అని ఆశపడ్డాం. కానీ స్వర్గంలో నాట్యానికి శిక్షణ ఇవ్వవలసిన అవసరం ఉంది అని చెప్పి దేవుడు ఆయన అక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయారు. When we think of a great person, we should imbibe some great qualities of those great people. Most of you must have heard Master Garu walked 200 miles from Kuchipudi village to Madras, now the Chennai, because his brother Pedda Satyam Garu was already working in movies. So he is so passionate about the dance. So he wants to do something for the dance, and he walked all the way from Kuchipudi to Chennai. When he went to Chennai, Master Garu was so passionate. I don't know how many of you know, recently I came to know this. So his brother purchased some food coupons for the people in India, mess tickets, and gave it to him so that he could go and have his food and explore what he wants to do. In those days, he came to know Kamala Lakshman, a great Bharatanatyam dancer. Her program was happening in Chennai. He sold 1 week worth of his food coupons to somebody, raised the money to buy the ticket to go to Kamala Lakshman dance and see that. These days, when we feel we drove in an air-conditioned car to have a dance practice on a wooden floor in an air-conditioned room, we feel that we have done so much for our kids, and dad wants the mom to take, mom wants the dad to take. 600 years, the dance form that was originated in a small village survived and arrived into these farther and farthest lands because of the commitment and dedication and the passion of individuals like Master Garu. On this day, let us all remember, let us all take inspiration. In 2004, for the first time, I met Master Garu in Philadelphia. I hosted, when he came onto a tour, I hosted a program. Later on, he came to California, I met him. I asked him about the compromising standards of the Kuchipudi, people continuously diluting it. There are, whatever the reasons may be, we can always justify the reasons. One of the things I asked him, should we do a program on recorded music? He said, never ever encourage that. Having a live music and a Nattumangam is the soul of the dance. Above that, when you do a live music, a violinist, a flutist, a mridangam artist, a vocalist, and of course the guru, all these have an opportunity to showcase their talent and make a living.